This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doug Gibeon. Undoubtedly the nicest one in all of WYNMOOR. Expanded floor plan gives you more living space in living room and bedroom. Loads of updates and upgrades including lovely laminate flooring throughout, impact windows and front door, newer appliances, new sink with filter, newer water heater and electric panel, custom closets, AC 2018 and no popcorn ceilings. This one is in mint move-in condition and shows like a model. Washer/dryer is next door. Building has a lift/elevator. WYNMOOR has 2 gated entries and as soon as you drive in you will appreciate the beautiful lush landscaping. Amenities include numerous pools, a clubhouse, restaurant, theater, fitness center, golf, tennis, pickleball, billiards, bus service and much more. You will love it. For more information, review the details below or contact Doug Gibeon at 954-369-0271.